Over the past few months, we've embarked on an incredible journey with 3 cohorts of dedicated individuals who've become the heart and soul of the Wellness League community. Our interns have brought their unique talents and aspiration, each contributing to a vibrant tapestry of wellness initiatives that have transformed lives. A powerful means of acquiring knowledge, skills, and personal growth.
What did you want better, and how is it all?
It was a nice experience. Actually, I enjoyed really much. बहुत ज़्यादा.
When? How was your experience?
It was a very nice experience. I thoroughly enjoyed the whole process.
As we celebrate the accomplishments of our first 3 cohorts, we're excited to announce the launch of our 4th cohort. This is your chance to join a community of wellness enthusiasts, creators and changemakers. Our internship program welcomes you. Gain real-world experience, learn from experts, develop skills, build connections, make an impact, and many more. So are you ready to be a part of something truly extraordinary? Join us for the 4th cohort of the Wellness League Internship Program and be the change you want to see in the world.